Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. We've got a short video today showing you how to reset the service light on this 2013 Vauxhall Antara. I've just turned the ignition on. I'll just show you, we've got the little oil and spanner light on the dash there. Now they're quite a straightforward reset on these, but it doesn't work all the time. This is the first one I've had in a while that hasn't worked, and I've had to do another procedure through the diagnostic machine. I'll just show you that in a bit. 90% of the time you'll find this procedure works. So if you just turn the ignition off, it'll turn the ignition on, and then press the accelerator down and release 3 times. 2, 3. Release that, and that should normally just reset the light. Some people do say to, when you first turn the ignition on, have the pedal pressed down, but I've always found it to work through just turning the ignition on. But say it hasn't worked, so what I've done now is we'll just put the ignition on to stage 2, and we've got the snap-on scanner on it, and we'll have to go into the, we've got the full menu there, but if we go into the service interval reset, and then you've got the engine oil life. See that? And then we'll scroll and reset that. Let's reset there. Don't know why this is the first one I've had a problem with, but if we start that up now after doing that, that should have reset the light there. That's it, you can see that's all gone out now. So I hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again, we'll see you next time.